My N sound box. My N Soundbox by Jane Belk, Moncure, illustrated by Colin King. Little N had a box. I will find things that begin with my N sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little N found a tree with nuts on it. Little N climbed the tree. She picked nuts. How many nuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Little N counted 9 nuts. She made the number 9. Did she put the nuts and the number 9 into her box? Yes, she did. Next, little N made 9 groups of nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many nuts? Little N counted 90 nuts. She made the number 90. She put these nuts into her box with the other nuts. How many nuts did she have? Little N counted 99 nuts. She made the number 99. Did she put the number 99 into her box? She did. Then little N climbed the tree again. Little N found nightingales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 nightingales eating nuts. When the nightingales saw little N, they flew into their nests. Little N put the nightingales and their nests into her box carefully. Because there were eggs in the nests. Little N could not count how many. Little N was sleepy, so she took a nap. The next day, little N got out her piggy bank. She emptied out her nickels. Lots of nickels. 99 nickels. Little N took her nickels to a store. She bought a necklace for her mother and a necktie for her father. She also bought a nutcracker. Little N had 19 nickels left, so she bought a nightgown for herself. Little N carried all her new things home. She put on her new nightgown. Then she heard a noise. She looked into her box and saw 19 new nightingales. They were crying for nuts. Don't cry, said little N. I have enough nuts for all of you. She cracked some nuts. Here are the nuts, the nightingales, and the nests, and some more nuts. While the nightingales ate, she spread out her new things. Here's the necktie, the necklace, her nightgown, and the nutcracker. Can you read these words with little N? Newspaper, nectarine, noodles, nose, notes, needle, nail, napkin, November, nurse, narcissus, and net. The end.